Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to unarchive chats on Facebook using your PC. If you've ever found yourself wondering where a conversation went after archiving it, don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we're going to walk through the simple steps to bring back those hidden chats and get you reconnected with friends and family. First things first, head over to facebook.com and log into your account. Once you're in, look up to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Messenger icon. This will take you directly to your Messenger inbox, where all your conversations are stored. Now let's locate those archived chats. In the Messenger window, you'll see a three dots icon. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu. From here, select Archived Chats. This will take you to a list of all the conversations you've previously archived. Finding the chat you want to unarchive is easy. Simply scroll through the list until you see the conversation you're looking for. Once you've found it, click on the three dots next to the chat. This will give you a few options, but the one we're interested in is Unarchive Chat. Click on this, and the conversation will be moved back to your main inbox. Unarchiving a chat not only brings it back into view, but also allows you to continue the conversation where you left off. It's a great way to revisit important discussions or reconnect with people you haven't spoken to in a while. If you're using the Messenger app on your PC, the process is similar. You can access archive chats from the left side menu and follow the same steps to unarchive them. In just a few clicks, you can restore any conversation you've archived and get back to chatting with friends and family. Whether you're using the web version or the app, unarchiving chats is straightforward and convenient. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful in managing your Messenger inbox. If you have any other questions or need more tips on using Facebook Messenger, be sure to check out our other videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.